What if I told you that a few simple tweaks to your CapCut videos could skyrocket your views and make you more money? Today, we're rediving deep into a case study, a video concept called AI Prompts Make Easy Money. We'll break down the script, the visuals, the pacing, everything you need to create viral content for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Ready to hack the system? Let's go. First up, the hook. The first 3 seconds are everything. Our example video uses upbeat music and cool neon animations. It's good, but we can make it better. Instead of just having your characters nod, make them do something surprising. Have them catch a falling dollar sign or pop out of a block of code, or open with a killer question like, "Want to earn cash just by typing?" Here's how. Grab their attention immediately and don't let go. Now, let's talk about the main content. Our example video has chapters showing specific AI prompts. This is where you deliver the value. Don't just show a static image of the prompt. Use CapCut to make the code scroll or glow. Have your animated mascots point to the important parts. Keep the energy high with quick cuts and sound effects every 7 to 9 seconds. Think of it like a visual rhythm that keeps your audience captivated. And remember to add captions. Bright, bold text makes your content accessible to everyone. So, you want to sell some merch? Like the Grandpa Gang hats from our example. The key is placement and tone. Don't just shove an ad in there. Weave it into the story. The best time is right after you've delivered a great tip, when the audience is feeling good. Have your animated mascots put on the hats and strike a pose. Make it fun and quick, no more than 10 seconds. Say something like, "Want to join the gang? You can rock this hat, just like our mascots." Keep it energetic and move on. As you get to your second big tip, you need to fight off audience drop-off. This is where you level up. Frame it as an advanced trick. Say something like, "Ready for the next money hack? This one is wild." Use a cool glitch transition and make your visuals even more dynamic. Add a poll or a question in the comments to get people engaging. An easy one is, which prompt will you try first? Let me know, and don't forget a call to save the video. A simple save this hack overlay can do wonders for your reach. Finally, the ending. Don't just fade to black. You need a strong, memorable close. Thank you, viewers, but also give them a reason to come back. Use a visual crescendo, maybe a shower of neon sparkles. Have your mascots wave goodbye and end with a triple call to action. Comment your favorite tip, save this for later, and follow for more AI money hacks. You can even tease your next video topic to build anticipation. By creating a smooth loop, you encourage rewatchers, which the algorithm absolutely loves. And there you have it, a full breakdown of how to turn a good idea into a high-performing video. By optimizing your hook, pacing your content with dynamic visuals, integrating your merch plugs smoothly, and ending with a powerful call to action, you're setting yourself up for success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join the community. See you in the next one.